Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the SUNIKA A3 13" DTF printer. I've spent time digging through the internet, checking specs, comparing user impressions, and looking at how this bundle performs in real-world printing workflows, and I'm here to give you my honest take on whether this setup is worth buying for both DIY projects and commercial use. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right off the bat, what makes the SUNIKA A3 bundle interesting is that it's a complete solution. You're not just getting a printer, you're getting everything you need to go from design to finished garment. The A3 printer handles larger film sizes compared to smaller A4 machines, which gives you more freedom to print bigger graphics without splitting designs or wasting film. The white ink circulation system and anti-clogging mechanisms are especially important in DTF printing, because white ink tends to settle and cause blockages if not properly managed. SUNIKA's approach helps keep that ink moving and significantly reduces maintenance headaches, which makes your day-to-day workflow smoother and more reliable. With direct-to-film printing, the process is straightforward. You print your design onto special film, shake or apply adhesive powder, cure the adhesive, and then heat press the image onto your garment. Because you're printing white ink under full-color graphics, you can transfer vibrant, detailed designs onto both light and dark fabrics without the limitations of sublimation or screen printing. This makes it a versatile choice whether you're creating t-shirts for sale, promotional gear, or custom order work. The inclusion of a heat press and curing oven in the bundle adds real value. Many printers in this category leave you having to source pressing and curing equipment separately, which can be a hassle and extra cost. Here, everything is packaged together. The heat press ensures even, consistent pressure and temperature for transferring your design, while the oven gives you a controlled environment to cure the adhesive powder evenly before pressing, both of which help improve print quality and durability on the fabric. Print quality is another area where the SUNIKA bundle performs well. A3 DTF setups are generally capable of producing sharp details, bright colors, and smooth gradients, especially when you pair them with good quality films and powders. For logos, full-color graphics, and complex images, you get results that look professional right off the press, as long as you follow proper workflow and maintenance practices. Users online often mention that this bundle lets them produce t-shirts that look on par with small shop custom printing jobs. Of course, this isn't a high-end industrial printhouse machine. It's meant for small businesses, DIY creators, and commercial startups who want an accessible entry into apparel printing without massive upfront costs. Like any DTF system, there is a learning curve and ongoing maintenance involved, but the anti-clogging features and included accessories help make that curve less steep than many other printers in this category. So, should you buy the SUNIKA A3 13" DTF Printer Bundle? If you're starting a custom apparel venture, want a full solution that includes printer, heat press, and oven, and you want fewer ink clogging issues thanks to built-in circulation tech, I would absolutely say yes. It's a practical, feature-rich bundle that gives you everything you need to start producing high-quality transfers right away. If you're only printing occasionally as a hobby or want ultra-high-volume industrial production, there might be simpler or larger machines better suited to that. But for most DIY creators and small business owners getting serious about DTF, this bundle delivers excellent value and performance.